One of the most important things you're going to do today is test and retest your final design. When you are in Futura, here is just a sample design. There's a lot of shallow sensors, one earthquake sensor on the land, and one deep water sensor. And if I hit test, you'll see that in this case, the warning time was 56 minutes. And if I go back and hit edit, I'm not changing the configuration at all, and I hit test again. And this time I get 62 minutes, and if I do it again, the test, because the earthquakes are in random mode, you can get a variation every single time you test between 40 minutes. Now it's up to 67 minutes, and so sometimes you'll have a test like this one that's 44 minutes, and right before I hit record, I had one that was 97 minutes. Here's one that's 76. You can see that the more you test it, the more sure you can be about whether or not your system will work. The earthquakes are in random mode, and so you're going to get different earthquakes depending on, what you have. But because the landforms with slide it back, most of the earthquakes are happening. The big ones that cause ocean-wide tsunamis happen along this subduction zone here, where there is a convergent boundary of this plate crashing into this plate, and then along this whole boundary here, because again, we have a convergent plate boundary. This boundary here is a divergent, and those earthquakes, although they have earthquakes, they're very gentle and they don't have quite the same impact on the ocean water, which is what causes tsunami to form. So today, the first thing you need to do is test and retest your design. You could make small tweaks, and you should definitely look at the feedback that you received from Hannah yesterday and the form that you filled in to see what kind of feedback she gave you for your overall design. But make sure that you're testing and testing, and then you're going to go ahead and submit that, and I'll tell you how to do that in the next video. All right, good luck.